This is Joey and this is my bike check. I got the 2011 Superstar Carlton frame. Comes with the integrated seat post clamp. I got a volume seat post. It's old, I've had it for a while. Animal seat. ASMR tires. Demolition, bulimia, and anorexia wheels. Still good. I've had them also for a while. That was a guy broke and spoke. I got a crappy chain because my half link broke. I got a United sprocket, premium slim pedals, and profile racing cranks. I also got 4 tree trick pegs. I got a broken Primo Annihilator stem from tightening it too much. Eastern headset. Fit Shiv forks. They're nice. I like how they're tapered at the bottoms. Animal barns. And PA bars. Demolition PA bars. That's my 2011 bike check.